Isa lang to, sir?
Hello vlog, welcome to my guys.
But hold on to your hats, because that's not all. Race results from the Philippine Biodome, an urban sanctuary smack dab in the heart of Manila. Set into a vibrant ecosystem, bristling with life, and discover a treasure trove of mesmerizing creatures, all carefully curated for your amazement and education. Don't miss out on the fun and excitement. Follow us on social media and check out our website at www.manilaoceanpark.com to stay in the loop on all the latest news and activities. Get ready to see the magic unfold at Manila Ocean Park.
Indonesia, and we are the largest among the white habitats. Roll down. There you go. The show has officially started. Round one for travel with greater birds. Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer April. Now here's an object that I will hide under one of these 3 silver cups. So where do you want Kaibigan seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, potan, and they also love corn. Now guys, do you think that cell has the ability to find a hidden object? If it's yes, then say, you can do it, Dazzle! You can do it, Dazzle! Go Dazzle, find a hidden object for us! Alright, birds ready? Trainers ready? Set! Go! Here's strike on his first ball. Followed only by Sassy. And that one from Rocky. Let's see who's gonna win this game. And Rocky wins! And whoops! He gets some money and flies back. And I think Bobby will donate the money. A round of applause for donor! Sir, before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Yes. Well, you're Brown tayo sa nabigay yun, nasa meaning they will generally return to its nest and mate. How about us for raptors and our moving pigeons? Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but also for those who are land as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce. Please guide us, so once again, here's collaborators to show us the proper waste disposal.
Baboy ba? Ang dami.
Let's go guys.
Ano? Oh.
See, if our lovebirds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you all enjoy the show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only home with God. Now let me present the birds and the trainers that make the show possible. Trainer John with Sassy. Trainer Mark with Rocky. Trainer Vince with Buddy. Trainer Shell with Speed. Trainer Johnny with Shadow. Trainer David and Trainer Sean with the homing pigeons. And again, I'm Trainer Gabriel. Thank you and goodbye.